I clean the windows of the dining room. I clean the windows of the dining room. I sweep the floor of the hallway. I sweep the floor of the hallway. I collect the dust with a dustpan. I collect the dust with a dustpan. I mop the floor of the kitchen. I mop the floor of the kitchen. I change the sheets of my bed. I change the sheets of my bed. I collect the dirty laundry. I collect the dirty laundry. I put clothes in the washing machine. I put clothes in the washing machine. I add laundry soap and fabric softener. I add laundry soap and fabric softener. Then I start the washing machine. Then I start the washing machine. After dries, I fold the laundry. After dries, I fold the laundry. I iron the clothes. I iron the clothes. I dust the furniture of the living room. I dust the furniture of the living room. I vacuum the carpet of the study room. I vacuum the carpet of the study room. I clean and organize the fridge. I clean and organize the fridge. I clean the stove. I clean the stove. I clean the oven. I clean the oven. I scrub the sink with a sponge. I scrub the sink with a sponge. I scrub the bathtub. I scrub the bathtub. I scrub the toilet. I scrub the toilet. I clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom. I wipe the mirrors of the hall. I wipe the mirrors of the hall. I clean the computer desk in the home office. I clean the computer desk in the home office. I organize the closet. I organize the closet. I tidy up the toys into the toy box. I tidy up the toys into the toy box. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I feel satisfied with my work. I feel satisfied with my work.
Thank you for watch this video and please subscribe our channel for more videos.